What's up guys, welcome back to Incredible and Intelligent with another new video on new topic, that is Android Studio. So I Incredible will today gonna show you how to download Android Studio. And guys, please let us know below in the comments that what do you want in downloading, updates, anything, any software that you are facing problem for downloading, we will show that to you. And guys, please like, share, subscribe, and of course I have told you for commenting. So let's get started. At first we'll search here Android Studio. You got what you want. Now click this second link. Now you will get three options mainly. Download Android Studio directly from Windows. They automatically send your operating system. Download archive and the release patch notes, the release notes. Now we will go for archive. Here you can see that you can download for Windows 64-bit, Mac 64-bit and Linux 64-bit, and of course Chrome OS. First thing I must say that it is only for 64-bit, not for 32-bit. Mainly this is Android Studio. Okay, not NDK, JDK, something else. I have not remembered. So let's see what we are going to download. We are going to download the file. No, let's download the installer once. Scroll down, click this, download Android Studio. Now I have already downloaded. Okay, so I am not going to show you. I am not going to show you. Not actually, there is nothing to show more. So just click save and it will get installed. Now I'm going to show you how to download. First, let me search for the installer. So guys, this is my Android Studio installer. So let's get started with installing this. Just click it, it will verify. It's verified. Now click yes. Let the pop-up come out and just next. Yes, I'm installing the previous version. I don't have any. This is my second time downloading. So let's click next and next and next. And if you want any type of shortcut, you can do, and do not create any shortcut or let it. Okay, install. It's your wish. And let it install. You can see the details here. And guys, I am again saying, please subscribe, share, like, and of course comment. And if you want to know any type of software that you can't install, having problem with downloading, having driver problem and stuff, so please write below in the comment. And of course I will give the link for this Android Studio in the description. And also I'm giving a spoiler for my next video that will be on what? Let's think. That will be on something. Okay, so I will give the spoiler in the description. So actually I can't remember it right now. So let's see what's inside. As you can see, our window has our software has opened, and now this is all for today. This is Android Studios. You can create any app, even you can create big apps using Android Studio. Okay, so guys, this is all for today. Thanks. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye bye.